So one of the things it seems like you never have enough of is storage space for all the stuff you accumulate. And so I looked around on, I'm looking for a shed that fits on the side of the house, so it needs to be rather narrow. And you see this shed here. This shed is, the entire material of this shed that I'm going to assemble, I am in process assembling, is made of plastic. The wall panels and the floor, everything in it is made of plastic, and then it's got steel poles to construct the skeleton that holds the shed together. So, and this shed with the 4 shelves that came with it cost $1,086. I'm just amazed at how much this thing cost for how cheap the materials are. I mean, my God, the cost of manufacture must be like $200. But anyway, in spite of its flimsiness, I think once this thing is together, and I think the 4 shelves on the sides here will give it enough strength that it'll meet my needs. This is the inside of the tough shed. This is some of the junk I want to organize a little better. But there's just too much stuff in here. So if we can get some more storage capacity on the side of our house, we can clean this shed up. This is our side storeroom. And again, there's so much junk and clutter in here you can barely walk on the floor. You can't even see the floor in some spots. So once we get that shed on the side of the house, we can pull some of this stuff. We're going to pull the bikes out of here. And that door over there, this house has 5 doors. I'm not going to take that door out, but we're not going to use that door, so that'll free up area in that area to be used for storing stuff. All right, I finally got the walls installed in this shed and put some shelves in, 4 shelves that I bought from the same manufacturer that made the shed. And so all I got to do is put the roof on and the door, and I'll be done. This is it's been rather time consuming. I've got 9 hours of assembly time in this thing so far, but once it's all done, it'll serve our purpose.